Guys, here's Claudio from Visual Model WordPress Themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to make more trust, how to build more trust on your e-commerce into the checkout page. So this is a default WooCommerce checkout page. You have this when you install WooCommerce plugin. You have a couple of tutorials on the Visual Model YouTube channel explaining how to do this page, but to purchase on a WordPress website, you must pass for the checkout page. But there is something really important missing from this page. It's the trust badges. For example, the SSL protected, the antiviruses, the refund policy, some badges that build trust on this page. And how to add these badges to your page into a simple, fast, effective, and free method. This is what I'm gonna learn to this video, but before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much that helps us. After this, go to WordPress dashboard. To access WordPress dashboard, your domain name plus WP admin and enter with username or email and password. Review the left sidebar of menus and hover your mouse over page. I'm gonna start this tutorial assuming that I already have WooCommerce plugin installed and set up on your site. If so, scroll down and find the checkout page set to be the checkout page. Okay, so here is my page. Click on it. Now you're gonna be able to edit this page as a block. This is the checkout page of your site, okay? I would like to insert one security badge right here, but you can insert some client testimonials in the case that you want or anything. I'm gonna insert the trust badge. So I can insert an image. Let me open my media library. I'm gonna select an image from my computer. Here is one trust badge example, the SSL protected. So here is one trust badge example. Let me update the page. Now you can see the SSL protected. Okay, so this can make more trust according to the badge that you use. For example, you can enter a column layout and he found policy. For example, 7 days he found policy. Okay, or anything like this. This is gonna help you to build more trust and to do more purchases, to make more sales, okay, to boost and to optimize the checkout. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and don't forget to check out the visualmodel.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes. And it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best.